You're sharing incredible content, but you're losing viewers because of this one thing that you might be doing. It's one move and they're gone. This happens in professional videos too, and it has nothing to do with what you say. But after you've seen this video, it won't happen to you anymore. I'm Elisabeth, I'm the author of the Practical Guide to Binge-Worthy Video Content. Right now on YouTube and social media, views don't matter as much as people actually staying and watching. And the moment you lose your viewers might be right here. Say you're in front of the camera, you're saying something brilliant, and you think, let me write something on my whiteboard. You turn around, and that's when it goes wrong. Audience research shows that viewers drop off when you show them your back, because that's the moment you break the connection. And the worst part is they leave even if they are really interested in what you have to say. Valuable content or not, you turn your back on them, they turn their back on you. And it can also happen in editing. If you add like a dynamic walking shot as B-roll. If you walk with your back to the camera, viewer retention drops dramatically. The people who study TV ratings have known this for years. There was a moment in a popular dating show, like a potential TV moment of the year, where the guy tells a girl that he's in love with her. But they both turned their backs to the camera, and in 1 second they lost thousands of viewers. So if you want to keep people watching, don't turn your back on them. That doesn't mean you have to stare into the camera the whole time. Looking away briefly is fine, but turning away and showing your back will make you lose a lot of viewers. And with that, you lose impact. When people watch your video, they feel a connection with you. Do not break it. Keep it so your message comes across. And watch the next video if you're interested in a fancy, very handy gadget for recording your videos in high quality.